Good morning, students. Today's topic is battery. The battery, this battery converts the chemical energy into electrical energy. Means the chemical energy is converted. This energy is converted into electric energy according to the law of thermodynamics. Energy neither we create nor we destroy, but it changes from one form to another form. That is, the chemical energy is converted to electrical energy, and this electrical energy is further converted into light energy. Means this is the light energy. Means the chemical is first converted. The chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, and this electrical energy is converted into light energy. Reaction take place between the reaction between chemical take place consisting of electrochemical cell. This is also known as electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell in which the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. This electrochemical cell consists of electrodes and electrolytes. They contain electrodes, means cathode and anode. Cathode is positive charge particle charge electrode, and anode is negative charge electrode. And these are the electrolytes. It's a chemical solution which conduct the electric which allow the flow of electron from anode to negative terminal to positive terminal. Next is cathode. What is cathode, anode, and electrolytes? The cathode is a positive terminal, and chemical reduction take place. Here, the reduction means the gain of electron. Anode in cathode, it is a positive terminal, and gain of electron means anode lose the electron and cathode gain the electron. And the anode is negative terminal where oxidation take place. Oxidation means loss of electron. Electrolytes, it separate the anode and cathode. First, the main first function, it separate the cathode or anode. These electrolytes, first, the main function of these electrolytes is first they separate the cathode and anode, and second function is it help in the conduction of electron from negative terminal to the positive terminal, and help current and help to flow out of the battery to perform work. This is the diagram of primary battery. This battery is made up of metal and plastic case. Inside case, a cathode or anode is present. It's a cathode and it's a anode. Cathode is positive charge particle, charge positive terminal, and anode is negative terminal. This is a separator which separate the cathode or anode, and it's a collector brass pin. It conduct the electricity to outside the circuit. And here the electrolytes are filled. It's a structure of this, how it conduct the electricity. This primary cell battery is also known as non-rechargeable battery or disposable battery भी बोलते हैं. Chemical reaction use can not be reversed. The chemical reaction जो use हो, एक बार जो chemical convert हो गए electrical energy में, वो again reverse नहीं हो सकते. Use when long period of storage are required. ये हमारी जो बैटरी होती है उस टाइम यूज की जाती है जब हमारे लॉन्ग पीरियड, जैसे हमें इसमें रिमोट्स में यूज करनी है, या छोटे घड़ियों में यूज करनी है, क्लॉक में यूज करनी है, तब हम इन प्राइमरी सेल बैटरी को यूज किया जाता है. लो डिस्चार्ज रेट देन द सेकेंडरी बैटरी. It has low discharge rate as compared to secondary battery, and this the primary battery are used in detectors, flashlight, remote control. It's a circuit. It's a primary cell battery. It's a positive terminal. Its positive terminal is made up of carbon rod graphite से बना होता है ये positive terminal. And जो बाहर जो है it's electrolytes which help to conduct the electron from negative terminal to positive terminal. Thick paste made of chemical. This is electrolytes. Zinc casting, it's a zinc casting which act as a negative terminal. It is a flow of electron from negative terminal to the positive terminal. Here the valve is attached, and when the movement of electron from negative terminal to positive terminal, electricity flow through the valve and make it blow. अब जो प्राइमरी बैटरीज जो होती है, अगेन दे आर मेड अप ऑफ डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स. They are classified into alkyne battery, and second one is zinc carbon battery. Alkyne battery को alkyne battery क्यों बोलते हैं? Because they use alkyl media, alkyne basic media. They use electrolyte as a basic media, and the anode is zinc powder, and cathode is magnesium dioxide. Electrolytes is potassium hydroxide. इसमें जो हम electrolytes जो use करते हैं, potassium hydroxide. It's a reaction which take place in the cell, because this chemical electrochemical cell is convert chemical energy into electrical energy. It's a zinc it's a anode, plus anode पे क्या कौन सी रिएक्शन होती है, जिंक प्लस ऑक्साइड हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर्मिंग जिंक ऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीज हुआ यहाँ से. It's a loss of electron, and here the gain of electron. Magnesium it's a cathode where the gain of electron reduction and redox reaction take place, means oxidation and reduction take place and produce the electric current. Second is जिंक कार्बन बैटरी. जिंक कार्बन बैटरी में एनोड जो है इट्स ए जिंक मेटल, एंड कैथोड जो है इट्स ए मैग्नीशियम डाइऑक्साइड, एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट पेस्ट जो है हमारा इट्स ए पेस्ट ऑफ जिंक क्लोराइड एंड अमोनियम क्लोराइड dissolved in water. It's a reaction take place in the this electrochemical cell, means there is difference between the cathode or anode. This cathode in primary battery, if we use cathode as a cathode magnesium dioxide and anode zinc powder, and the electrolytes is potassium hydroxide, then this battery is known as alkaline battery. And same if we use anode as a zinc metal, cathode use as a magnesium dioxide, and electrolyte base used as the zinc chloride and ammonium chloride, then these are known as a zinc carbon battery. And both the cell, this zinc carbon battery or alkaline battery, convert the chemical energy into electrical energy. What is the difference between alkaline battery and zinc carbon battery? First, in alkaline battery, the electrolytes are basic in nature. In zinc carbon battery, the basic electrolytes are acidic in nature. High energy density as compared to zinc carbon battery, functioning with a more stable chemistry. They are used more stable chemicals are used. जो हाफ लाइफ है, जो शेल लाइफ जो है इसकी, इट इज 8 ईयर बिकॉज ऑफ जिंक पाउडर, एंड इसकी जो लाइफ है इट इज 1 to 3 ईयर. लॉन्ग लाइफ टाइम बोथ ऑन द शेल एंड बेटर परफॉर्मेंस. इसकी भी लॉन्ग लाइफ है, लेस देन alkaline battery. Can power all device high and low drainage, and this zinc carbon battery power only low drainage instrument. For example, this alkaline battery are used in digital camera, gaming and remote control, and this zinc carbon battery are used in kid toys, radios, alarm clock, etc. Second one is rechargeable battery. Rechargeable battery, a secondary battery. Secondary battery is also known as rechargeable battery because they can use again and again. The reaction can be in reverse. They can be converted into reverse reaction. Similar to primary cell, redox reaction can be reversed. Here, it is cathode. Cathode is a positive terminal and anode is a negative terminal. These are the electrolytes. प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी बैटरी में सेम सर्किट है, ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल, बट ये केमिकल्स जो होते हैं दे अगेन कन्वर्टेड, दे आर रिवर्स इन डायरेक्शन. इफ दे डिस्चार्ज दे अगेन चार्ज एंड दे कैन वी कैन यूज अगेन एंड अगेन. In cathode, here in cathode oxidation take place. Oxidation means the produce electron, and the gain of electron, it produce the electron and it absorb the electron anode. Now this secondary battery are again divided into nickel cadmium battery, and second one is lead acid battery and lithium ion battery. First it is nickel cadmium battery. The main difference is anode, cathode and electrolytes. All the batteries are same, but the chemicals which are used in this as the electrolytes, they are different. Anode are used as a different in all this battery: nickel cadmium battery, zinc ion battery and the lithium ion battery. In nickel ion battery, anode is cadmium hydroxide, cathode is nickel hydroxide, electrolytes is potassium hydroxide. These are the chemicals. Potassium hydroxide is used as electrolytes which conduct the which help the flow of electron from the negative to positive terminal, and the negative terminal is cathode and it is used as a cadmium hydroxide, and positive terminal is used as a nickel hydroxide. is a chemical reaction which take place in the cell. That is cadmium plus hydroxide converted into cadmium dihydroxide and release of two electrons. Same in anode, cathode, where the positive they absorb, they produce the electron, they gain, they absorb the electron. Nickel hydroxide, nickel oxide, nickel hydroxide plus cadmium. Cadmium release the two electron, they are absorbed by the nickel and produce nickel dihydroxide plus hydroxide. This nickel cadmium battery produce 1.2 voltage current per cell. It has high ability to deliver full power output until end of the cycle. Means जब तक इसका साइकिल एट लास्ट साइकिल तक ये पूरी पावर 1.2 वोल्टेज पावर प्रोवाइड करती है. हैज consistent powerful delivery throughout the entire application. Very low internal resistance. It show very low internal resistance. Resistance is opposing power and provide by to the flow of electron. Means electron के flow को prevent करते, कुछ flow को रोकने के लिए जो power use किया जाती है, resistance power, low voltage per cell. Advantage and disadvantage of this nickel cadmium battery. This chemical are more reliable and stable. Is operated in range of temperature. They are operate has a wide range of temperature. Disadvantage is it is 3 to 5 times more expensive than lead acid battery. Its material toxic and the recycling infrastructure from the large nickel cadmium battery is very limited. Next is lead acid battery. This lead acid battery, these are used in car, automobiles, companies. These are anode is porous lead, cathode is lead dioxide, electrolyte is sulfuric acid. These are the BET battery. BET battery means they do not require the water for the movement of electron from cathode to anode to cathode. These are the reaction which take place in the chemical electrochemical cell. Means the electrode is a cathode, it's a positive lead dioxide plus hydrogen plus sulfuric H2SO4 is converted. This H2SO4 is used as a electrolytes and release of electron. This anode gain the electron and produce the flow of movement, flow of charge from cathode anode to cathode and produce the electric current. This lead acid battery cell is automobile battery or wet cell. मीन्स जो हम इस ऑटोमोबाइल बैटरीज जो होती है, जो हम कार में या अपने ऑटोमोबाइल्स में जो बैटरी यूज करते हैं, दे आर वेट सेल बैटरीज. डिलीवरी short bursts of high voltage to start the engine. These are used to short voltage. They provide high powerful voltage to start the engine, and batteries supply power to the start and ignition system to start the engine. Battery act as a voltage stabilizer in the electrical system. It provides extra powerful power necessary when the vehicle's electrical load exceeds the supply from the charging system. Last one is lithium ion battery. Lithium ion battery are used in mobile, mainly used in mobile. In lithium ion battery, the anode is made up of graphite and cathode is lithium magnesium dioxide. The electrolytes which are used in this lithium ion battery is a mixture of lithium salt. This is a lithium ion battery. It's a separator which separate the cathode or anode. Cathode, it's a cathode. In cathode, lithium, magnesium rod are used, and in anode, graphite rod are used. The movement of electron from negative terminal to the positive terminal and release of electron this and produce of charge. Advantage and disadvantage of this lithium ion battery, it has high specific energy, means number of hours of the operation for the given weight, huge success rate for mobile applications such as phone and notebook computer. These are mainly used in mobile phone and notebook, laptop, etc. Disadvantage is it is costly. Cell temperature is monitored to prevent temperature extreme. No stabilized system for recycling large lithium ion battery. Lithium ion battery is high energy density, potential for yet higher capacity. This has low maintenance. Energy density of lithium-ion battery is 3 times of the standard lead battery. Cost of battery almost twice. The battery cost is twice of standard nickel cadmium battery, 5 times that of the standard lead battery. It's a Tesla model where the lithium-ion battery are used because it is more powerful than other batteries. The application of this battery, इसी के साथ आज का जो टॉपिक है बैटरी वो खत्म होता है। थैंक यू।